Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we will discuss why you can't chat on the Badoo app or why you are not able to send messages on the app. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Badoo account, you'll come to the encounter section like this. Now let's go to the chats from the bottom. After that, it will show you all the chats that you have in the app. Now if you are not able to send a chat message with anyone on the app, then it could mean a couple of things. The first thing is that there might be an issue with the Badoo app itself. For example, there might be some issue with the Badoo network or the Badoo platform as a whole. In such cases, you'll have to wait for some time. If you are still having problem, then you can simply uninstall the app and install it again. After reinstalling the app, you can simply log into your account. Now apart from these technical issues, the another reason why you are not able to send messages to anyone on the Badoo might be because that person has blocked you in the app. When someone blocks you, you won't be able to send messages or chat with that particular person. Furthermore, you won't be able to see the detailed view of their profile as well. So it could be any of the reasons why you are not able to chat on Badoo. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.